Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is July 12th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other before endeavoring into trading. Again, back, had a good vacation. So let's take a look at this market and see what has happened here recently. All right, let's maximize this chart. Let me see if I can remember what I used to do here. And let me see if I resize this one. I got to resize it too. Boom. I got it in here somewhere is where I usually go. And let me see back up. I don't want to switch it all the way like that. Just like that. All right, on the quarterly chart, we finally got to close above that yearly R1 that we had been fighting. And look like the Dow probably has made a new high and all. So again, look like this summer, it's not go away. It's got, you better jump in and you better, I hope, based on your trading strategy, your trading plan, that you saw the signal for you to get long in this market at this time. Just be mindful of your trade, just be mindful of your strategy, and make sure you manage them based on your rules. All right, but let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, as we always see, as we have been seeing, this market has been making these higher lows and higher. It was making higher lows, and it finally got a higher high. We're at a quarterly. This should be a quarterly pivot. We had a quarterly R1 where we hit and gave us a little pullback. It was kind of expected for us guys who like trading pivots. We know that's a point to take a little bit of a profit. But again, we are not closing our positions down completely. Maybe we just selling calls. Maybe we bought a little put or something. Who knows what we did, all based on our trading plan and our trading strategy. We knew it was something to take. It was a time to take some action at that time and all, and I did. All right. But as we can see, this market did make a new high look like this month and all, and I expect it to continue going higher. We just have to kind of like wait and see what actually happens. We're getting above these highs now, and now it's just time for it to rock and roll for the next month or so. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. Zoom in here a little bit here, zoom in a little bit here. But look at that pattern. It finally it make down, then go down as low. It's finally trying to get higher. We did on this is a weekly chart. We did make a new high this week. We pulled back off of an R2, and this is a monthly R2 that we actually pulled back off of. Kind of like I say, it was stuff that was lining up all together on these different time frames. So again, if everybody based on their trading plans and their trading strategies are all seeing the same thing at a point that takes a little bit of profit, they did. And now at a point, if it gives them another buy signal to get back in, they do. Again, some people like making money in this market and not just saying I'm holding a position and all. And that's what we see here on this weekly chart. Just a little bit of a profit taking and all. And we might load back up and getting the bounce off this level here and head back higher. Have to kind of like wait and see what actually happens there. Let's go down here to this daily chart. Look at this quick daily noise and wrap this on up. As you can see here, let me just zoom in a little bit more here. We had a big day on Wednesday. I remember that. And all this week, and then we got confirmation of that because we ended up with a higher low and a higher high and all, and then another higher low and a higher high and an all-time high here today on Friday. Just look at the Dow go. The Dow had been kind of hanging out down here for a couple of weeks, and this week here looked like it decided, okay, it's time for us to take off and see what's going to happen here. But that's it. That's all I see here on the Dow. And all, I hope you guys had a great week. I had a great vacation. I had a great family reunion. Nice seeing a lot of the family members and stuff and all. So it was all good. But that's it for now. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys have a great week and have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.